Hello everyone. Today we will learn two sound words, op and ox. Sound words. So first we will learn op sound words. Read with me. Op, 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 op. Now we will add different letters with op sound like t op top, t op top. Very nice. Next, op mop, op mop. Very good. Next, op hop, op hop. Well done, my kids. Bye bye. Hello, everyone. Now we will learn ox sound words. Read with me. Ox, 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 ox. Now we will add different letters with ox sound like ox, 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 ox. Good. Next, ox, fox, ox, fox. Good. Next, ox, box, ox, box. Very good, my kids. Bye bye.